Are you tired of seeing those annoying deprecation warnings every time you build your Gradle project? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle how to suppress those Gradle deprecation warnings once and for all. I completely understand your frustration. After migrating to Gradle version 4.0 RC1, those warnings can feel like a constant reminder of something you can't control. It's a common issue many developers face. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how can I suppress Gradle deprecation warnings? They mentioned that these warnings are caused by plugins they can't modify. Sound familiar? Let's explore some solutions together. So, what exactly are these deprecation warnings? They indicate that certain methods or features in Gradle are outdated and may be removed in future versions. While it's good to know about them, it can be frustrating when you can't fix them yourself. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you manage your Gradle projects more effectively. To suppress Gradle deprecation warnings, the user should start by adding a specific configuration to their Gradle build file. This involves modifying the build.gradle file. Next, the user should consider using the Gradle command line option to suppress warnings during the build process. This can be done by adding a flag when running Gradle. Additionally, the user can configure the logging level in the Gradle properties file. This will help in controlling the output of deprecation warnings. Finally, the user should regularly check for updates to the plugins they are using. Keeping plugins up to date can help reduce or eliminate deprecation warnings in the future. Fun fact, did you know that Gradle was first released in 2007? It has come a long way since then, but those pesky warnings can still pop up unexpectedly. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user is to use the command line option, -- warning mode, none. This option effectively suppresses all deprecation warnings during the Gradle build process. Here's that quick tip I promised. Regularly check for updates to your Gradle plugins. Keeping them up to date can help minimize these warnings in the first place. And there you have it. You should now be able to suppress those annoying Gradle deprecation warnings. Remember, keeping your plugins updated is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips. And don't forget to check out our next video for more Gradle insights.